Welcome back to the channel. Today you can tell from the title that we are going to sublimate on 651. But before we get started with that, if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see our posts. Today's video is sponsored by ThisNew. What is ThisNew? ThisNew is a print-on-demand and drop shipping company. So if you want to start your own small business, but you don't want to make your shirts, you don't want to make your items yourself, this is the website for you to check out. Here I hit the tab that says products. You can see everything that they sell. We have bestsellers, new arrivals, face covers. We're going to check out bestsellers, which of course would be face masks. Okay, so think about it. That face mask is $5.49. You can add your own design, which I'm going to show you how to do. So we're going to click on design. I'm going to go in my file and just pick a random design. Again, if you're doing your own brand, you guys can add your own designs to this. They will drop ship it and send it directly to your client. So it doesn't have to come to you and then you have to, repackage it and get it out to your customers. Or you could just, design all the things you want and have it in stock for yourself if you did want to be the one who actually put them in your own custom envelopes and own custom mailers and everything. So here I'm just going to resize that design and kind of get it to just fit all the way in here. I did this off of my iPad, so that shows you guys that you can design with their website I have a cold. It's not COVID, okay? Allergies. Anywho, so you can design pretty much from your iPad, your laptop, and your phone. So you're not limited to the capabilities. Make an account, go in, play around and see what you guys want to work with. They also had shoes that I saw. Okay, here you can buy or sell. If you were to hit sell, you can actually connect your Shopify, I believe your WooCommerce, Shopify, and they're working on adding Amazon. I know I'm missing another website, but you can actually add these and connect it to your website. They connect seamlessly. So you can see they have t-shirts, coats, and let's see, you can design your own items, guys. These shirts are $9, and again, when you click on it, it'll tell you they have 2 locations, one in the US, one in China. Depending on the items you select, it tells you down here standard shipping to the United States, 7 to 15 business days, and the shipping is $2. The shipping is $2, so it's $9 for a shirt, right? $2 for shipping. It's 11 something you're spending on a shirt. Of course, you're going to sell it for $20 to $25, and you keep the profit of the rest. Of course, you're going to charge your customer shipping, but based on your website, it should already generate from their zip code. At least mine does. They have blankets here. Now the necklaces, I might have to come back and check this out because $18.99. I could flip that, sell it on my Etsy, on my website for like $29, $39. But again, you probably want to buy samples, which I'm going to order some stuff from them. And once I get samples in, I'll let you guys know. Like these are made in the US, so shipping is shorter. The mugs, $6.99. Add your own design to it, how I showed you guys. And let's see, shipping is $5.99 because why? You get it in 3 to 7 business days. So on your website, if all you're selling is coffee mugs, that's it, and you're getting them from here, you can go in and put in your comments, these ship within 3 to 15 business days to be on the safe side, just in case shipping is crazy because we know how USPS is. So again, the website is ThisNew. I have a link below. If you click that link and shop, I get a couple of proceeds. And of course, I'm not pressuring you guys to shop, but just wanted to let you know what's kind of out there. So today I wanted to test out a theory. So what we have, the 3 things that you're going to need. You're going to need your sublimation sheet, which I have this whole sheet of hair on I printed out. And what we're doing is wrapping this image. We're gonna press, okay, makes sense. We have Oracle 651, because you're gonna need that. You need the white Oracle 651. It doesn't have to be white, but whatever. And you're going to need a laminating sheet. This is the pouch, and I just, slid it in half. So what we're gonna do is we're going to press the laminating sheet on top of the Oracle 651, like so, 400 degrees. I believe I have it written down because I haven't done it in a while, but I only do that for like maybe 5 or 6 seconds. Then once that's sublimated, shiny side up, because you can see the difference. That's the matte color and this is shiny. So on the sublimated, press it shiny side up, 400 degrees, 6 seconds. Then we're going to take our sublimation image and we're going to press that on top. Of course, remember your image is reversed. So we're going to press it on top. And we're going to press that for actually 30 seconds. And then we're going to take the finished image we have, and we're going to wrap that around a, I believe, 20-inch acrylic tumbler that I got from Save a Cup. So let's see how this works. Again, this is my first time trying it, so we're going to learn together. We're going to mess up together and go from there. Also, in case you guys wanted to know what the 20-ounce tumbler look like, this is it. Of course, you're going to wipe it down with alcohol first, and this is the top, so this is how it looks. And I got these, I believe they were like $2.50 from Save a Cup. They sporadically have sales where these are like $2, and they're awesome to keep in your shop, personalized. So we're going to wrap the finished image onto this tumbler. Okay, so this is the image that we pressed. Remember, I think I did 30 seconds. What did I tell y'all? Whatever I told y'all. Probably 60 seconds, just to be on the safe side. And we did 400 degrees. And the colors are really popping. I use Printer's Jack ink. Let me know what ink you guys use. That looks a little funky there. Other than that, it looks pretty good. So now we're going to apply it to our cup. Okay, so this is how it turned out. And this is, again, 651. Right here, I kind of messed up. But you get the idea. For the most part, it looks pretty nice. You have to play around with it. I'll do another tryout off camera and, get it perfected and then come back for you guys. But this is 651 Oracle vinyl, so I can even peel this up if I don't like it. We can, well, I can't do it with one hand right now because my tripod is upstairs. But you can peel this off and do it again. Because again, it's 651. Granted, you need to peel it off today. Don't wait till like 3 days later once it's set and started setting. And put top on it. It's honestly not that bad. If you just want to try something different. Again, before you put it in a shop perfected, this is where I messed up at the seam. You see how that's pretty close, but then up here it's kind of off. So I gotta work on that. So again, if you're new here, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. The next video will be a print and cut. Reminder, the last print and cut.